Hi guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Eligibility and guys, today we are up with a new video and this new video is all about Germany work visa, new updates, 2026 updates, step by step in detail we're gonna tell you in this video. I hope you're gonna love it because if you're planning to go to Germany then this video is must watch for you. So if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation, 10th-12th exam preparation, and whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution, so why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan, subscribe German Gyan, and let's get into this video. Let's go!
Let's check how to get Germany's work visa step by step. Before you start doing anything, make sure that you are meeting the basic requirements such as your valid passport which has the validity of 6+ months, then a job offer from a German employer because this works for the work visas. Then you should have a recognized qualification such as your degree or your experience. Then a proof of health insurance which is very mandatory in Germany, and then proof of funds and contractual offer. So these are the basic things you should have before you apply for the visa. The second thing is you have to choose the right visa. So there are two main paths to working in Germany. The first one is work visa or national visa for employment. This one is for those with a confirmed job offer. Second one is EU blue card. This is for premium work permit for high skilled professionals such as IT, healthcare and engineering. And this offers easier path to permanent residency. Now you also have one more visa which is a job seekers visa and which is optional. This visa basically allows you to enter Germany and find a job within 6 months. Once you find work, convert to a work visa. Next point is you have to meet salary and qualification criteria as well. So Germany has updated its threshold. And for the general work visa, the job offers with a salary approx 43,470 euros per year. Then for the EU blue card, this is for higher salary criteria depending on the role, often 45,000 plus euros, shortage occupation slightly lower. And the third criteria is of language. German is not mandatory for many skilled jobs, especially in tech, making it easier for Indians to qualify. Next comes the document checklist. So please prepare all the documents for your visa appointment. The first one is valid passport, then filled application form, then a job offer or employment contract, then CV and your academic degree, then comes your proof of financial means, health insurance which is again very mandatory, police clearance certificate and the proof of accommodation. Now comes the question that to whom you have to submit your application. So submit your application to German Embassy or Consultant or VFS, which is Global Visa Application Center. Then in cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Follow digital application first if it is available because Germany is moving towards fully online upload consular appointment systems. Next comes your biometric and appointments. So you will usually attend your in-person appointment. You have to give your biometrics, which means your fingerprints and the photo. Then you have to submit original documents for verification and processing time may vary. So it can be from 4 to 8 weeks or more depending on backlog and the city. Now you can receive your visa. So once approved, you will get a national visa sticker in your passport. This allows you to enter Germany. You must register and get your official residence or work permit after arrival. And then within 14 days of arrival, you usually must register at the local Bürgeramt. And remember a first aid kit which includes basics like band-aids, pain relievers, motion sickness tablets and the antiseptic wipes. Once you move to Germany and start working, there are some things which you have to do. So the first thing is register address, which is you have to register address, also known as Anmeldung. Then get residence or work permit. Then open a bank account and get a health insurance if you don't have it, otherwise make it before the visa process only. And understand tax and social security system, because a tax system is very huge in Germany. And a bonus for you is an opportunity card, which is also known as Chancenkarte in Germany. So Germany has introduced a point-based opportunity cards. This is an alternative pathway where a job offer is not mandatory and points are given for your qualification, your work experience, your language, your job prospect, and this can speed up your entry if you score enough. So basically for this opportunity card, you have to score some points depending on the qualifications or the points which I have told you. Quick highlights for Indian applicants. So the Germany is planning to offer 90,000 work visas to Indian professionals in 2026 and 2027 with faster processing and easier rules. That means language is not mandatory for many roles. Then digital visa submission is gradually reducing delays, and Blue Card offers PR path after 21 to 33 months. And now there are some common mistakes which you should avoid to make your journey smoother. So do not apply too late because slots very easily get booked. Then not recognizing your degree before applying is also one of the problem or the mistake which one do. And ignoring embassy requirements for proofs. The last one, waiting for visa appointments without digital submission. So please avoid doing these mistakes.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for shouting. Lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.